Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My video today is about a face mask, which I love. And my skin is very sensitive, so I've tried a lot of different face masks and most of them have not been kind to my skin. But this one I've been using consistently for like over a year, and I definitely love the way it makes my skin feel. I notice my skin is brighter and it only takes 2 ingredients. So it's really easy to make, great for sensitive skin. Here we go. One of the most important things of using a face mask is to make sure you start with a clean face. So I completely washed my face, took a shower, super clean, fresh. You just don't want to add stuff to pores that are already clogged, because then you're not really doing much and it might even make the situation worse. So really clean your face. The 2 ingredients are bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. That's it. Those are the only 2 ingredients. Now the clay I found, I believe, online, and this stuff lasts a long time. Like I said, I've been using it for about a year and a bunch of different things, and it's not even half gone. So I use it like once a week. Helps to remove impurities and dirt from the pores, deep pore cleansing of the skin. Oh, this says it makes 20 to 30 facials. Okay, or like 200 facials. So basically you just take these 2 ingredients and with a 1-to-1 ratio, you mix them together. The recipe calls for 1 tablespoon of each ingredient, but I found that half a tablespoon is just a better size for my face. Feel free to experiment there. When you mix them together, it starts to bubble and fizz a little bit and becomes more of a paste. I'm gonna warn you right now, it smells like rotten eggs. So if you're sensitive to smell, probably not the best mask to try for you. When the mask is on your face, it has this tingling, cooling sensation, which feels really nice. I like to think of it as dissolving all of my blackheads and the gunk in my pores. And it also, after a couple minutes, starts to feel really tight on your face, so hang in there, that's totally a good thing. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I have sensitive skin, so I only leave this guy on for about 7 minutes. But according to the container, if you do not have sensitive skin, you can leave it on for about 15 minutes. I just rinsed it off, and as you can tell, my face is a little bit red and it feels really tight even without the mask on, which is totally fine. That's normal, and the redness usually goes away half an hour for sure. Basically, just don't use the mask right before you leave the house. And I also found out that if I don't put any product on my face after the mask, like no lotion or anything, if I wake up in the morning, because I usually do this at night just because my face gets red, then it looks even better. So, pro tip there for ya. Thanks so much for watching. Super simple video. Please give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. Check out the other videos on my channel. If you try it out, please let me know. I would love to hear how it works for you guys and if you had success with it as well. Best wishes and stay creative.